Hey there singers, it's Lara with VoxTape Studios and welcome back to another pop song exercise. Today's exercise is going to help you navigate your way around your vocal registers, the chest voice, mixed voice, and head voice. We're going to be using all three of those registers so you can feel and hear how they are all different from each other. For this exercise, I chose the song Arcade by Duncan Lawrence. So let's have a look at how the exercise goes. This is all just head voice, okay? So don't feel like you have to be insanely loud here or do it in mixed voice. Let's try to sing in head voice on purpose. You still keep that placement forward and the mms are going to help you to just do that. I'm in a big arcade. Really support well in that big, that you're not going flat on that note, okay? And use the B to get all the way up there. And on arcade, stay on straight tone until the very end. And careful about that diphthong there. Stay on arcade. And the eed is at the very end. So the very first part right there is in mixed voice. Then the rest is in chest, but we're on purpose flipping up into the head voice every so often. Oh, right there, for example. So be careful about those flips. So the lovin' is in head voice, and then you is losing. There you have another flip, but the rest is in chest voice, okay? All right, that's the whole exercise. Let's now do it. And remember, we're using all three of those registers on purpose. Even though we're in head voice here, you still gotta support well. Up here, and another two. Good. Now here, stay on straight tone. Straight and vibrato. How did that feel? Well done. Did you feel all three of those registers? Right? We did this on purpose. You know, in the lower notes, we probably could have sang all of it in chest voice or all of it in mixed voice or whatever, but we want to navigate and use all three of those registers in just one exercise so we can really start to feel and hear the difference between those three registers. So let me know in the comments below if you really felt and heard all 3 of those registers. Make sure you check out the description box below this video for some amazing free singing resources like a Facebook group that you can join, or exercises that you can download, or even, a trial to my online singing course. I'd love to see you there. Check out these videos next for some more vocal exercises to help you improve your singing voice, or some Vocal Coach Reacts videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for singing with me, and I'll see you next time.